Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change this 2D logo into 3D logo. Remember, I already uploaded a video on how to create a 2D logo. Now I'm going to show you how to change this 2D logo into a professional 3D logo. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, I will urge you to do so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever we drop a video like this. Share, like, and comment on this video. Let's get into today's tutorial. Now I'm going to take you to Photopea, where we'll do the transformation, converting this 2D logo to 3D logo. Thank you for watching. This is the most simplest way to convert your 2D logo into 3D logo. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next tutorial.